Hello, this is Myra Elaine on the Buying Space channel. I'm doing an unboxing from Victoria, reselling or adventures with Victoria. And here's her address. Fake out. She has a post office box. I have a post office box. We're both very public about our real names and our addresses. And I appreciate that from a reseller. I really do. Because sometimes it'll be, where does this open at? A completely different name. And sometimes it won't be their name. It'll be, their spouse or their channel name or their, I mean, it's just been a ridiculous amount of time where people are, oh, okay. This packing slip is in an envelope. On the top of this box. So if I do that, I need my coffee. Okay. I didn't do this the other day with another package, and I regretted not just taking the packing slip out. But, okay, here we go. This can be done easier than this. Now, all I have to do is cut this off. Cut off the ship to, and I have a label to put on my packages for return address. And if I want to send something to Victoria, or just cut this out and put it in an address book. Voila, I have a label. And this paper and ink gets reused. And if this had adhesive on the back of it, the little white spaces, like here, could be used as a label or a sticker. Or just to put a little thank you on it if it were adhesive. I did that the other day with one of Ella's labels. Now, Ella on Save Here First and Victoria auction together on Fridays. They did this past Friday. Of course, sometimes these patterns change, but Ella's on 4 times a week, and Victoria is usually on there 1 time. I know I should use this much tape. This is a thinner box, and that's a good idea with the thinner box because you don't want it to come undone. We are in. All right. And first thing I see when I open this package is free from Victoria. She sent me some little star cookie cutters. Look at that. How nice. And here's one with the mouse ears. Thank you so much, Victoria. I love getting free gifts. mystery bag, travel, shoe bag, Dumbo brooch, gift from Debbie's Wood Burning. And speaking of Debbie's Wood Burning, Victoria is on Debbie's Wood Burning too. Her and Nana Tinks have gone to being on Debbie Wood's Burning's channel. And Debbie's a wonderful seller too, and she has karaoke on her channel sometimes. So here we have the travel with the little airplane, and on the back we have information about how to use this bag in a foreign language. Shoes pouch. So this is a shoe pouch. But you know me, I'll put about anything in it. But that's a nice size. This could be made for a bug out bag. I live in Florida. We have hurricanes. I'll probably put, seriously, first aid kits in this. Marty's going to have surgery, so I might put their wound care stuff in this temporarily while they're healing. See, and that said there was a brooch in here too. So we have, before we get to the other free item from Deb, here's 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner bar. This is a great thing to put in a bug out bag for sure. Coconut scented, and this is lavender scented. Very convenient items. And here we have a rollerball fragrance. I love putting these in my purse. Hydration hand and nail gloves. Oh, I so need to do this today. My hands have been feeling it. We ran out of the goat's milk soap in the bathroom, and we have a nice designer soap in there, but it's not as nice to your hands as goat milk. And here we have Aroma Guru, ready to use roll-on. So this is another thing that you can put in your purse. These are great if you are a woman in Florida during the summer. I'll just say that. Okay. And everybody went, ew. But, you know, it happens. Absolutely happens. So here we go. Okay. I'm going to get underneath here and cut through. Oh my goodness, these are lollipops. Actually, when she was auctioning this, at this auction, she was staying with her daughter. And I told her, I said, well, Marty and I'll have one of each of these flavors, and you and Jordan have one, and I'll just gift them to you. And she's like, oh no, we have plenty. So she sent all 4 of them to me, even though I was willing to share with her and Jordan. So here we go. Take the other one out later. This is strawberry shortcake. A lollipop. Just what we needed for the weekend. I'll leave the other one tied up so it won't automatically devour. And that way we get one of each. And this is cotton candy. And she checked, and these are gluten-free, so Marty can have these. Yay! It's them. Oh my goodness. I was telling somebody the other day on an auction last night, actually, that I have measuring tape earrings on the way. Oh, it was Deborah. This is like a little key ring, measuring tape, and then earrings. And actually, I'm going to Halloween party, and I'm going to wear these at the Halloween party. I'm going to be Ptolemy's wife, and Ptolemy was a Roman mathematician. And I'm going to look up what Ptolemy, what's his area. There might be another more appropriate mathematician, Roman mathematician, but I'm going to be dressed as a Roman woman, and I'm looking forward to that. And I'm going to wear those earrings with it. It's not what the SCA people would call period, but it makes a clever costume for Halloween. Because of Halloween, you don't have to be exact, because you're not wearing garb at Halloween. You're wearing a costume. If you go to an SCA event that's supposed to be from a particular period in history, then you're supposed to be in garb. Now this is a jewelry set for Halloween. Little bats and a necklace with a moon and bats. That is clever and cute. I like this. But I'm still wearing the tape measures to the Halloween party. I can wear that on another day near Halloween. And here we have a pen. And it's Dumbo. Cool. I was watching a video the other day about an elephant that had twins. And the older sister elephant that was 2 tried to bum rush the little boys, the little twins, when they were newborn. She was not happy with being a big sister, but it took her about a week. Actually, elephants are very smart, and one of the other female elephants took the little baby elephant, the little girl who just became a big sister, to the side and paid special attention. And here we have some lovely Christmas earrings. These are cool. Oh, and here we have chickens. Chicken earrings. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Yeah, it's morning. I haven't had my coffee. Y'all just have to forgive me. Okay, where'd the other one go? Oh, they're stuck together. They're right here together. I'm like, I need to wake up, folks. I guess this lollipop will help me wake up. Actually, today, Victoria is supposed to come to my home and pick up all of my excess paper and bubble wrap and envelopes and boxes to use for reselling. So you might receive some. If some of you that I buy from Victoria, you might receive a box that came from me, and it's possible you might get a box or an envelope or something that came from you, that you sent to me, that I gave to Victoria, that Victoria mailed back to you. Somebody said something negative about the reseller community one day. They said, oh, those people are horrible. They just all sell stuff to each other. I'd like to know why that's horrible. Because we're all helping each other, and we're all, using recycled materials, and we're creating our own economy. And even if we end up trading off stuff, we're helping the planet because everybody's getting what they want and need. And we are not buying from large corporations that probably are polluters. And in the case of Victoria, she's delivering some items I've purchased today. And since she's going to be here anyway to pick up the other items, the recycled items for her to use, then that's zero impact on the planet for me to receive those items, because they would be spending the gasoline to come get the boxes anyway. So that is definitely a win-win for the environment. And this is not win-win for our diabetes, but occasionally you have to have a treat. And that's how that goes. We're going to have a wonderful time today having those lollipops. And I'm just got packages around me to unbox and to share with you all. And I hope you all enjoy the time that you watch my videos and like the things that I get. And if you don't, I still love you, and have a nice day.